Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today I wanted to take you along as we gather some basil for some pizza sauce. And I want to show you the right way to harvest or prune your basil so your plant can become big, lush, and the basil plant you've always wanted. In the past, we used to grow our basil in pots, but now we've learned that basil is a companion plant to tomatoes, and it actually improves the flavor. So now we grow it in our garden bed. Okay, now let's learn how to prune this basil.
You see how there's this divide? So it has this leaf, and then that center one.
Yeah.
You basically pinch the center one.
Oh.
And take that out.
And that will make it bushier?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, so you fold up the leaves and you find this center one and pinch that out.
Oh, I've been doing it wrong this whole time.
And then you find like that. And sometimes there's two of them, and I'll pinch both.
Okay.
So we can use some of this in the sauce.
Is it usually the tops of the basil plant?
Yep.
Okay.
And you just pinch that out. And what this does is it promotes it to grow.
Well,
more.
plus you're taking off the flowers.
Yeah. And sometimes if it's like real big, I'll go down to the next set and pinch it off so that you see, pull that whole thing out.
Okay.
Like you can look at this one.
Is that what you did last year when our basil plant was really,
I keep
really huge?
Yeah, I keep pinching these off. Like here,
when we're gonna use it.
There's
that's taller.
You pinch that off.
Okay.
And these outside ones, like that. And you want to try to keep doing it to keep it from blooming. You really want to leave.
So right here, I would pinch this right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Did I do that one wrong? Right there. Did I do that one wrong?
No, that's fine. It'll grow.
This off.
Yeah, that'll grow back.
Okay.
You can go there. See how there's sets? Like you look at here. See, there's a boom,
you
and then you can go down,
one.
and you want to take. You can take that whole one off.
Okay.
And it'll come back. But that looks pretty good.
Okay.
And that's plenty of basil.
Okay. So this one, have you pinched any?
I've been pinching that one.
But it's still growing from that stem that you pinched?
Yep.
Oh. Okay. And now the basil that we pruned, we can use it in our pizza sauce. And it will make our plant big and lush and grow the way it's supposed to. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy growing.